road signs.
Oh,
that's a taxi.
oh yeah.
That sign say. That sign say.
At any time.
At any time.
So we can go in it. Oh no, we can't go in it.
So we're gonna look at bus lanes, and I'm just going to remind you, Izzy.
Yeah.
It is 7:45
Okay.
on a Thursday morning.
On a Thursday morning. Okay.
Hold that thought.
Okay.
We love your feedback, so don't forget to leave all your comments down below and we'll read them and reply where we can. Now we're going to take the third exit and follow the road into the city centre.
Okay. Oh god.
So you've noticed this is a full-time bus lane, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so third exit, follow the road. You want to look across your mirror, come across to the left-hand side. Don't go across the solid line or you end up signal left and come across the left-hand side. It's safe to do so. So, we're talking about bus lanes. There are no bus lanes in Kettering.
No,
So if you pass your test in Kettering.
You're fine.
Well, what happens when you need bus lanes? You need to know the rules of bus lanes.
Yeah.
If you're going to bus lane when you shouldn't be, chances are, as I found out,
Get fined.
for 4 seconds in a mock test with Eve,
Can't believe
you get
that.
ticketed. Yeah, 4 seconds. Literally, you went to say, Eve, get out of the bus lane.
No.
And that was it. That was enough to
Get a ticket.
get a ticket. Money grab it on a Sunday morning with nothing around.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You wouldn't have thought that, would
No, it
you?
wasn't a Sunday morning. It was it was. It was a full-time bus lane.
Yeah. Oh right.
Yeah. So yeah, nothing around apart from us.
Yeah, they're the red ones, aren't they?
No,
Red?
bus lane's a bus lane.
Oh. I didn't know. How do you know if it's full-time one then?
So you're going to find out.
Okay.
Here we go around this bus. Signalling left. We're okay. Plenty enough space there.
Plenty of time.
Now, when the bus does signal, the highway code does tell us to give way to buses.
Okay.
It's safe to do so and give way to buses moving out. So that one was signalling left. So we pause. We don't go around it, even though it's not moved off yet. And we give way to buses moving off.
Off, yeah.
Now, they're pretty good at signalling their intention.
Yeah, that's quite good.
It's quite good. And the thing is, it's really good coming to a city. Even if you didn't come in for a
Yeah.
driving test, it's good to have a driving lesson in a completely different place.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're just doing the same road. Well, it's not really teaching you how do I drive in a brand new city. You got to be able to pick up the information
Yeah.
straight away. So
That's why I thought, I want to ask
now
them
look, that
if
bus is
we can
pulling
do it.
in.
So
There's the bus stop. So to go around it, even though it says right, doesn't matter. We need to make progress.
Yeah.
And just make sure, check it back in. That's it. Yeah. Now we're going to follow the road ahead. Now look at this sign here, or look at the sign there.
Okay.
Bus lane. What time?
11:30 till.
No, it isn't say 11:30.
Oh, 7:30.
7:30 Monday to Friday till it says 9:30. By the way, come on to the line.
So it's still.
It's set for taxis, bicycles. So where have we got to go now when we move off?
We've got to go into that lane, haven't we?
We've got to come into the right-hand
Yeah,
lane because that is a bus lane.
Yeah.
So it's part-time.
Yeah.
If you do your driving test
Just see what
at
the
9
time
o'clock, you look at the time. Now, the examiner will be probably very kind. Just to remind you, like I did, it's 10 o'clock or whatever it is.
is. Yeah.
Go on, let's get moving. Don't be dithery. That's it. And that lane's for turning right only. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
On the road markings, it says
It's
straight
right
on and right.
only.
They're always
Yeah,
going to
so
go
they'll
down
go
there.
that
Well,
way.
hopefully. But obviously
Yeah.
check them. But we had a nice right passage through
Yeah.
there. Now, if this was the weekend or outside of
You
9:30,
can use it.
yeah,
Okay.
you can see it's twisted at 9:30 to 7:30, 9:30. You can use it,
Okay.
and you'll be expected to use it in your driving test.
Yeah.
If you come over there, you're failing to respond to road
Road
signs.
signs, yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's a taxi.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Oh, sorry, taxi. Yeah, you know what? So far, it's not too bad.
Yeah, unless you can stop and start a car,
Yeah, it's fine.
there's a lot of clutch control needed.
Yeah.
See this bicycle coming through. That's not the nicest shot in the world, is it?
No.
No. So that's what bicycles do. They feather down the inside.
Inside,
Motorbikes
yeah.
feather down the outside.
Outside, brilliant.
So again, another sign.
No. Yeah, still warming us.
Across to that side.
Can't come on.
Now at the end of this road, we'll be turning left. So this is as far as we go this way.
Okay.
with Wigston Test Area.
Okay.
Beyond that, it starts getting to the railway station, the King Power Stadium, all down
Alright,
there.
so you don't have to do like
It's
town.
not the town centre, no.
Oh, that's quite good.
It's literally Wigston. It's not Leicester Test Centre, it's Wigston.
Oh. That's quite good actually. I can't come in yet, can I? 'Cause it's still,
No.
still the bus lane.
Yeah. So when the solid line finishes, you check down the left-hand side, make sure there's no buses or
No
taxis.
buses or taxis.
Go across them.
Okay, he's coming across.
Okay. Let you go.
Oh, he's letting
Yeah.
me go.
Let's see how fast. We're doing 30, and he clearly wasn't.
No, he wasn't. He was bombing it down. It was like
He
1
was
minute
bombing
he
it
didn't
down.
see him, 1 minute.
And he's also
next
not
minute
not a taxi. So what was his benefit in doing that? He's only got
Nothing.
there.
He was only going to that lane as well. What's the point?
Yeah. So we're going left, by the way.
Left.
Yeah. Did say that, I think.
Yeah, you did.
I did I? Yeah.
Yeah, you did. New joggers.
Right, clutch down first gear. Off you go. Gotta give it. That's it. Off you go then. Yeah. Okay, so you have to be a little bit. See the traffic.
Yeah.
Now, if you're this close to the traffic, you might want to say, okay, it's new. You see this traffic stop. You saw the lights change on the other side. I'll get the car ready. What's that sign say? And that sign say?
At any time.
At any time.
So we can go in it. Oh no, we can't go in it. Sorry. Is this where Eve got?
Yes.
This is where Eve got done.
Yes,
So
it's a bus lane at any time. Not
Okay.
any time you can go in it.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
okay.
if you go in it any time, why are you telling you that?
You're gonna get.
There would be a sign, would there?
It
It would be a sign there.
Okay.
It'd just be like, it's a road. You can go in it any time. Yeah. Okay.
So this is.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
got it.
if your driving test is
Yeah.
outside the part time, you got to keep your wits about you because 1 minute you're in the bus lane, and the next minute you're not in a bus
The
lane,
next minute you're also getting fined.
and yes, then you're getting fined.
I see why Eve might have got caught off a little bit. I mean, I thought at any time, and then I thought, oh no, that means no.
Yeah.
That means
Yeah, you see
no.
the word at any time, but you have to sort of link it to the pictures.
Yeah.
But are you a bus?
No,
No.
definitely not. Not a bus driver.
Not a bus driver. You're not on a bicycle.
No, not a bus.
Certainly not a taxi.
That poor guy's gonna go. I wish somebody like honked him and told him to pull his trousers up because he's gonna go. No, he should have because he's gonna go into town centre like that, Richard, with his bum out.
We're certainly not going to get your rear ended, is he?
Definitely not. It's not a good look, no. We should have honked him and said, pull them up, please, before you get into town centre.
Or anywhere, really.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I'm sure
But
country folk would appreciate it. Well, they might do.
does he
I
not
don't know.
feel a breeze? Surely.
I don't know, is he?
Maybe he's just likes a breeze, I don't
I
know.
don't know. I don't really want to manifest that either.
Yeah, you know what?
But
I've really enjoyed this.
you like Wigston?
Yeah, I like Wigston. I wouldn't mind driving here. I mean, quite a lot of my friends are from like Leicester way anyway,
Yes.
so.
So what's
I'll have
this
to get
bus
used
name?
to it.
Full-
Anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah, anytime
Yes.
that is. Can't go in it.
And just to back up the point, there's a nice little speed. If you can go speeding in Russia, well done if you can.
Is it?
So what you got to watch out for, of course, is when the bus lane ends,
Nobody's in
going
it.
back, no one's
yeah.
in it. And you've seen from earlier, people can whizzing through use it a bit like a shortcut, don't they?
Yeah.
And yet, has there been anyone in this lane the whole time we've been on it?
No.
No.
Yeah, it's that one person.
So always bus lane, literally nothing's been in it. And all that traffic's been moved into two lanes, and you wonder why there's congestion
Yeah.
and worry about fumes and
Yeah.
stuff like that. It's just so ill thought out, these bus lanes and things.
They are a bit, aren't they?
Never anyone in it, most of it.
What car's that?
Hmm?
What is that? It looks like a Lego car. Doesn't it? Looks like a Lego Land Rover.
Yeah,
Range
it
Rover.
might be one of those new sort of.
No.
One of those. No, we need to come across the left-hand side
Okay.
at the end.
At the end, yeah.
Don't go in it now.
Okay.
You know what happens.
Yeah.
So you've got box junctures. There's lots of road markings to pick up on, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
Okay, so we need to come to the left-hand side. Aha. So hang on, stop.
Oh.
Can you get across? Signal left. Let's come across. Can we get across? You're not going to. I hope you're not going to sit in the bus. Hope you're not going to stop in the box junction. Izzy. Oh. Oh, Izzy. Signal right. Go round. Go. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. I'm not going to sit there. Okay. Why so much revs?
Sorry.
Now we kept moving.
Was that a bad idea?
No, because in big cities you get
Are
box
we just going straight
Yeah,
up?
you miscalculated that
Yeah.
one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're not going to go there. We're going to have to go. We have to go right now.
Oh no. Where's this? Oh yes. Oh, okay. So I just did
Now
that.
the thing
bit wrong.
is, it was perfectly clear down the right. We shouldn't be stopping in the box junction.
Yeah.
You've changed your mind. Oops, no, I wanted to go right. In a lot of places, especially in London, if you stop in a box junction, the camera will fine you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Now, there was a space. The bus came forward, slightly miscalculated how much space there was for us. There wasn't much space for us.
Yeah.
Right, hold back, because we might go left when these lights change. Let's go a bit more forward. Go first gear. You stopped. Going forward so you can actually turn left. Basically, we've gone the wrong way, Izzy, haven't we? Oh,
So
dear.
we're trying to come through?
Yeah.
Is that what we're trying to do?
But don't signal. My God, see how quick that car came through.
Yeah.
Now, when there's a gap in the traffic,
Like this
we're going to try, not quite yet.
No.
No, after this then. Oh no, still something coming.
It's come down here really quick.
Yeah, doesn't it? If it goes right, we're going to have to carry on. But if we can get across, there's another bus. Okay, it's gone amber. No, so we're going to go that way.
Okay.
Not a problem.
Just as I said, it was easy. People
Yes.
bomb it down, don't they?
Yeah. So there we go. That's my point.
Right.
What is my point? Point is, yeah, might look easy, but suddenly other
It's
road
not.
users can make it quite tricky there. We nearly got stuck in a box. If you'd been in your driving test and you stopped in that, that's
Yeah,
the end, that's the end of your driving test, isn't
So
it?
would you have done that?
I
Save it, maybe?
I would have done. Yeah. Oh, we said right, didn't we? And signalled and realised what you'd done. As long as you don't have full observations. Didn't stop in the box junction, did we?
No.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.